about Winnie the Witch. And so Winnie the Witch decided to fly on her broomstick because there was a crowd of cars in the roads. And so then she had bumped in a hand glider, and so there was Wilbur, and his tail was bent. And then she had bought her some glasses, and she had tried and had not bumped in no hand gliders. And so this actually are goggles, but they are much better. So now we're going to make with Wicked Witch. And you can download this Wicked Witch in the description below. Put with Wicked Witch together. And let me tell you a secret. In her head you have a little hole, and if you have a piece of thread, you can put it into this hole and hang it over your bed, and you'll see nightmares at night. So bye guys, see you next time.